What's up, hustlers? Hey, Fabiola here, the CEO Hustler. So how is AB5 going to affect you, especially those here in California, such as myself? Let me tell you, it's not going to affect those with a business mentality. It's not going to affect those who are willing to invest in themselves as well as their business. Why do I say that? The irony of things is, back in 2000, when I first started my business, I started my business with a vision and a mission to change things, to change the way agencies were handling independent contractors, freelancers, entrepreneurs. And go figure, 2020 AB5 is going to change all that. Everything that I tried to implement back in 2000 was because, for whatever reason, I knew this was coming. Yes, as an independent contractor, freelancer, you have to understand that you are a business, and therefore you have to treat your business as a business, plain and simple. So, having said that, if you are a freelancer, if you are an entrepreneur, you really have to understand what a business entails, what you need to do in order for you to run a successful business. Whether you're just working on your, by yourself, whether you're thinking of contracting other people, whether you're thinking of hiring employees, whether you're thinking of expansion, you need to treat your business as a business. So I don't see AB5 as a bad thing, although many freelancers and many entrepreneurs, especially in our industry, interpreters, they are like really against it. I don't see why, because at the end of the day, we are all responsible for our business. So having said that, like I said, when I started my agency back in 2000, it was basically vetoing everyone, creating the right processes and procedures, agreements, terms, conditions, everything to try to get interpreters to understand that they were not my employees, that they were independent contractors, and therefore all of these things were important. Now, I got a lot of bashing over it. I got a lot of negativity over it. Interpreters wanting to claim that they were employees. Interpreters not wanting to sign the agreements. Interpreters not wanting to adhere to the policies and procedures. Well, let me tell you, that's part of business. So if you are a freelancer here in California, if you are an entrepreneur, don't worry about this whole AB5. If you don't know how to get your business in order and on track, make sure that you click the link in the bio. Make sure that you sign up for my free Boss Up and Rise call. Let's chat. Let's see where you're at. Let's see what you need. Let's see how I can help you, so that you are in compliance come 2020, so that you don't have to worry about not earning your worth, so that you don't have to worry about not being able to continue with this amazing business. Okay, so don't worry about AB5. All you have to do is click the link in the bio, sign up for my free Boss Up and Rise call. Let's chat and let's get your business up and running, and let's get you earning your worth. Like I always say, boss up and rise.